A family of products designed to be easily installed and work seamlessly together to provide complete and customizable communications solutions. ADECIA. All components required for a successful installation for the communication spaces of today and tomorrow. ADECIA Ceiling Solution offers dynamic multi-beam tracking technology. Constant live tracking beams support for lively discussions. No dead spots. No programming fixed lobes. Room setup flexibility. No need to pre-program lobes when design changes. ADECIA Wired Tabletop Array Solution provides a high-quality microphone option for minimalistic, cost-conscious spaces. Includes Yamaha's well-known audio technologies like auto voice tracking technology to track participant speech. 6 microphone direction options to customize to your use case. ADECIA wireless solution comes in 2 types, gooseneck and boundary, to fit your use case and environment. A variety of microphone heights and directionality allows for a customized space. Enable ease of participant movement and workspace layout changes with the flexibility of wireless microphones. Best quality Yamaha audio designed and tuned for easy installation and use. Reduce time, spend, and complexities. Enable single cable connection for seamless integration with Dante and PoE technology. Auto detects installed components. Auto configures devices into coherent solutions. Auto measures and optimizes audio performance for room audio environment. Achieve optimum sound automatically, customized to your workspace. Crystal clear, worry-free remote communications. ADECIA.